Hi, if you're a business owner, then this video is for you, especially if you have been in business for more than 5 years. Earlier, when we have always been doing business, we always have been concentrating on some methodology of gaining business and executing business. Whether it is you are in the manufacturing space or if you are in the services sector, it does not matter. We've always been doing the same thing. We have been working with two, three primary customers who are big fat paying customers, and maybe we were looking at another one or two new customers, and we've always been executing them. Whether you were working as a manufacturer on a B2B space or if you were working as an auxiliary unit, you always thought of building resources, building assets to ensure that we were handling only those set of customers. More so in the automobile or the aeronautical industry. Now, what happened during pandemic, the COVID pandemic, things changed a lot. We have had recessions earlier too. The dot-com bubble was there in 2000, but it did not affect us. The 2008 to 10 subprime crisis did not affect us much. But this corona and the COVID pandemic affected most of our businesses. We may not say in front of others that we are affected, but deep down we also know every one of us, every one of the businesses have been affected due to the pandemic. Now, why did that happen? The reason is it's not just having 2-3 customers was the reason. The primary reason is our thought process, the leadership skills that we all as business owners were having. We always were handling our finances in a particular way. Our marketing methodologies were standard. The processes were standardized, and we also did not try to improve ourselves on that. There was not much of R&D. There was not much of new engagement activities. So what happened because of COVID? Every business has got affected, and the biggest problem is it turned us into a special scenario that we never guessed it would happen. Now, this what we call it as the VUCA world. Now, what is VUCA world? VUCA, V-U-C-A. V is volatility, U uncertainty, C complexity, A ambiguity. Let's all agree that yes, we have had, the situation has become so volatile that we don't know what's going to happen. The uncertainty is very high because I don't know what's happening. Any businesses is not able to plan for more than 3 to 6 months period at this point of time. Complexity of businesses have grown because we don't know with whatever assets that we have, the resources that we have, what is that we can do in a different way. Whether do we have to train them, retrain them. We have not been able to do anything of that. The complexity of the situation has increased, and also the ambiguity. I don't know what is happening, what is not happening. The problem is we have not imbibed ourselves, or as leaders, the leadership skills is not prepared for this VUCA world. Now, VUCA world is going to be the new normal coming further. So, as leaders, as business owners, we all have to be prepared for this. How do I do it? Well, there is a lot of information that's available on each space, whether it is your financial space, your marketing space, your operations or production space, or even if it is process improvements. There are a lot of things that is available that you can learn in each space, understand what is the new normal in each of these areas. As a leaders, let me tell you, it is not just understanding on one particular space. You have to learn yourself on what is that you need to do for the future. And most importantly, you need to unlearn what you have already learned. That learning is no longer valid. You need to unlearn that, and start learning into the new VUCA world. There are trainings. There are trainings organized by, there is Dr. Balamurugan who does a training on VUCA world. Mr. Samuel Sudhakar, the author of SME Growth, he also conducts these training programs on the leadership skills for the 21st century VUCA world. Now, these trainings will help you put yourself into a new mode. I'm not talking about changing the gear. I am talking about changing the whole body of your engine. You have to change yourself and move to the different segment. Just changing the gear may give you a little more speed, but when you change your new body, the engine itself, when you change, it will be more effective, and it will give you a much longer life and much speed that you need. So, as a business owner, I'll always suggest be prepared for the VUCA world. If you think you don't have enough time reading what are all about VUCA and how to achieve that, I would suggest go through trainings, read books, or understand some videos in new space. One example I would say, in the marketing aspect, VUCA is more on digital. How to utilize digital to be VUCA ready. In terms of execution, the new normal has become work from home. How to be prepared for that? So, I would like to end this video with one note. Be prepared, be a VUCA leader. If you're not ready, get trained. Thank you and bye.